Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to talk about 5 free AI tools that save you 10 hours a week. Tested and ranked in 2026 week. I tracked every hour I worked last week. Then I did the exact same tasks using 5 free AI tools. I saved 14 hours in one single week. These tools are free to start. They need zero technical skill and most professionals I speak to have never heard of most of them. Let me show you all 5 right now. By the end of this video, you will have 5 tools you can open today with the exact technique that makes each one 10 times more useful and a total time saving breakdown that will genuinely shock you. So, my friends, total 10 to 18 hours returned to you every single week. At the low end, that is an entire working day. At the high end, 2 full days. Saved every week, free ChatGPT with the role technique. Canva AI for design, Notion AI for planning, Otter AI for meetings, Perplexity for research. Start with one this week. You will never go back.
Tool 1 ChatGPT, but not how most people use it. Most people type a basic request and get a generic answer. The upgrade give it a role first. Act as an email marketing specialist with 10 years of B2B experience. Write a 150-word email to a business owner who attended my AI webinar. Same tool, 20 extra seconds, completely different quality output. Time saved, 4 to 6 hours per week on writing tasks. Tool 2 Canva AI. Type a description, it generates 8 complete design options instantly. One click background removal. AI generated headlines inside your design. No Photoshop, no skills. Professional output every time. Time saved 2 to 3 hours per week. Tool 3 Notion AI. Paste raw meeting notes. Ask, summarize into decisions, questions, and action items. 30 seconds instead of 20 minutes. Every single meeting. Time saved 2 to 4 hours per week. Tool 4 Otter AI. The most underrated tool on this list. It records and transcribes every meeting automatically. Identifies who said what. Generates action items. All searchable by keyword. You will never take notes in a meeting again. Time saved 1 to 3 hours per week. Tool 5 Perplexity AI. What Google search wishes it could be. Unlike ChatGPT, it searches the real time web and cites every source. No hallucinations. Every claim verified. Instant research. Time saved 1 to 2 hours per week.
So, my friends, total 10 to 18 hours returned to you every single week. At the low end, that is an entire working day. At the high end, 2 full days. Saved every week, free ChatGPT with the role technique. Canva AI for design, Notion AI for planning, Otter AI for meetings, Perplexity for research. Start with one this week. You will never go back. Next video is one that will genuinely move you. AI is saving lives in hospitals right now, catching cancer before doctors can, designing drugs in 46 days instead of 15 years. I have the data. Stay tuned.